Okay, so for this other material, the displacement and roughness is basically the same. So I will start with that. So here again, you move the mortar size and the shape with the black. Oh, um, yeah, the shape of the tiles. Um, with this one, you change the texture of the brown tiles, which is uh, kind of different from the previous one because I wanted to make it look like the one you have in in the image. So this scale is in 115, but yeah, you can change it if you want, as well as this color to get a different texture on that one. In the render version, you see these bright spots. They are called fireflies, and well, in the preview normally there is nothing you can do uh, to avoid them, and this can be afterwards cleaned up. I will show you it at the end. And yeah, again we have this tile size that you can change. Let's get to 50, see what it happens. Oh, yep, so this is it. uh, let's go back to 5 again. And what else? Yep, this is the color. So as you can see, the first one is the like the base tone of the brown tiles. So if you move the black one, you will get like everything a little bit more um, dark. If you move the white one, then you get everything lighter. As well, you can change this scale over here, but also will recommend to keep it in a lower scale. These two noise textures over here will control these spots that you see. So let me explain you. For example, in this spot you see that it is pretty well defined where the spot begins and ends. It's not blurry like this one. This spot is made with this noise texture and this color ramp. Since the black and the white parts are almost together, then this is like pretty well defined. If I move the oh, if I move the black a little further away, as you can see, it becomes kind of blurry. But as I said, I wanted to get the effect that you had on the image, so it's kind of like this. And for this spot, it's the same. As you can see, the black and the white marker are a little bit far away, so that's why it looks a little bit blurry. But if you want, you can make it oh, like more defined, or you can also move the white if you want to reduce the size of those spots. But I will just leave it like this and let you tweak them a little bit to get the effect that you want. These are like the two main colors that you will get if you want to change these to blue ones. It is possible. I don't know, maybe kind of red and orange with a brighter tones. Yeah, this looks pretty weird, but you can change those colors as you please to get the texture and the colors that you want. Once again, we have the mortar color over here, brighter, darker, and what else? Oh, yes, the same as before, the style grouping. As you can see here you have like the dark tones, and in the upper part the lighter tones. And I think that's it for this pattern. Well, the glass color, you can also change that one. Blue glass if you want, green one, orange one as it was before. So it's up to you which color do you want in this glass. And yeah, just a recommendation when using this texture, I will say that you get this render number to 1024, or you can try keep it in 500. But always when using glass, you should go here to, what is this called, layer properties, and at the very bottom you should activate the noising to get a better result when rendering. In general, when you are rendering, you should turn on the noising, and you can actually lower the number of this render value, and you will have the same results in less time. And yes, I think that's it for this material.